Dito po sa ating pagbasa, pinakita po ng salita ng Diyos, ang pag-aasawa ay panghabang panahon. Pinakita din ito sa salita ng Diyos, ang disenyo ng pag-aasawa ay panghabang buhay. Si Ian, iiwanan niya ang kanyang ama't ina. Sasama siya sa magiging asawa niya po. Sabi po ng Bible, hindi na po sila dalawa, kundi isa.
To my loving husband, today, as I say I do, but to me, that means I will. I will take your hand and stand by your side in the good and the bad. I choose you and promise to choose you as my husband every day as we wake up. I will love you in the word and deed. I will laugh with you, cry with you, grow with you, and craft with you. To be your kin and your partner in all of life's adventures is all I could hope for in the world. I promise to support you and spend the rest of my days loving you madly. I promise to cherish you for the rest of my life, before our family and friends, for richer and poorer, in sickness and in health, for better or worse. I promise to love you and spend the rest of my days with you. From your loving wife.
Kapag pinag-uusapan po sa Biblia, ang pag-asawa ay panghabang panahon. Kaya sabi po dito, ang pinagsama ng Diyos hindi pwedeng pag-iwalayin ng tao. Kaya sa buhay po ni Iya at ni Billy, nasa mga kamay niyo po para manatili po kayo habang buhay.
Hi, Billy Ganda. Kala mo si Jungkook, no? Hindi, nagkakamali ka. Pero alam mo, tama ka ng pinili. Pero sa totoo lang, mas tama ako ng pinili kasi pinili kita. At yung pagpili ko sa'yo, siguro yung isa sa mga desisyon ko sa buhay na hindi ko pagsisisihan. Alam mo naman siguro na sa dami ng pinagdaanan at paghihirap na kasama kita ay hindi tayo natibag. Kaya, ang pangako sa'yo, hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan, mamahalin kita hanggang sa dulo. I love you.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight get out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like it was running out. We're alive, we gotta scream it out. Breathe it in and feel the rush again. You're not lost, no matter where you've been.
Hindi ako si Bonifacio, pero ikaw ang KKK ko. Ikaw ang kapayapaan sa gitna ng kaguluhan. Ikaw ang kapanatagan sa likod ng kabalisaan. Ikaw ang kasiguraduhan sa harap ng kalituhan. Mahal na mahal kita, Billy Ganda.
Live your life like it was running out.
ba? Ay.
How you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody
I
holding
love
you
you.
back.
Thank you.
All your life you've been chasing a ghost. You gotta change your mind.
Oh! Ano gagawin mo dito? Lumabas ka! Wow!
Holding you back from the life
Labs,
that you
sama sa regalo mo, alam mo wala na akong
If you